Hello everyone, take your hair, first tie it in the form of a half ponytail all over again, insert it through the gap, take the lower half, divide it into two, tie one half with the help of a rubber band and the other half again with the rubber band in two consecutive parts. Now, we take the rest of the part of the hair and insert it through the gap. Take the lower half, tie plaits out of them. When you reach until the last part of your hair, tie it with the help of a rubber band again. When you are done tying it with a rubber band, roll it upwards just like this and then thicken it so that it looks thick, and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin or a Juda pin just like this. See, you are done here. First, take your hair and tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take two parts of the hair from the sides and then tie it again in the form of a ponytail, which is the half ponytail. Now, take the lower half of the ponytail to the upper half, tie it in the form of a knot. Take the lower half again, twist it, roll it, and then secure it properly with the help of a Juda pin, just like this. See how easy peasy it was. You just need to be very consistent when you are doing so. Now take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail again, insert it through the gap, tie the lower half again with the help of a rubber band, and then when you are done tying it with the rubber band, tie the lower half again into two consecutive parts, tie the lower part into a form of plaits and then roll it upwards just like this, make a gap in between, place it upwards, tie all the hair together and then inside it put it through the gap and give it a circular look, inserting it through the upper part of the hair with the help of a ponytail or a bobby pin just like this. Now, take your hair, loosen the rubber band and then insert a 5-legged Juda pin from inside out. When you are done making it, then comb the upper part of the hair, tie it again in the form of a rubber band and then roll it downwards just like this and giving it a semicircular look, tie it in the form of a bobby pin just like this. You are done here. Now, another hair hack includes tying your hair in the form of a half ponytail, then lower hair is combed properly and one part of the hair is made in the form of plaits just like this. Then the plait is lifted upwards and then secured it properly inside the gap of the other part. Then, including all the hair from the plaited parts, another part is also made out of plaits, or it is also made thick and loosened, and then it is secured properly with the other half of the hair with the help of a bobby pin and a Juda pin. The decoration is totally your wish. First, loosen the rubber band from behind and then insert a 5-legged Juda pin from upside down, roll it downwards and then from left side to right side, fasten it properly, comb the upper part, tie it with a rubber band, give it a semicircular look and then roll it downwards all over again with the help of a Juda pin or a back pin just like this. Thank you for watching.